Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. As you can probably hear, the workmen are here because it's Monday morning. I think it's the 8th of April. And noisy again. Chickens still haven't given me any eggs. So, should be any time now. And I will show them when I get them. But I did come out in the garden yesterday and do a bit. The back now, underneath the quash that I made, is 2 rows of beetroot I've sown. There's a row by the side of it, so I thought I'll find out if they do actually keep the seeds warmer and see if they germinate before those are outside. Today I'm going to put some turnip all the way down the back. I've sorted out this bit of ground and planted some onions, an onion set. And Mason, you shouldn't be in there now. I've also planted up some potatoes. They're going to be my main crop. What's going on in the polytunnel is I've potted on the other week some tomato seedlings. Some that were smaller than these I potted up slightly and left them in the house where it's warmer, and thought I'm not going to put all my eggs in one basket, so some of the tomatoes stayed out here, the larger ones, and they seem to have done alright. But obviously the growth is slowed down a bit. So those that were smaller than these I kept in the house and are bigger than these. So I'll be potting them on soon and bringing them out. Some broad beans, radishes, but that's about it. Oh, I also planted up some potatoes. They're in pots. They're at the back wall of my polytunnel. They won't be staying here, but that's where they are at the moment, because I will be having tomatoes here. Down there is a ginger, and what I've found out about it is you basically cover it, soak it completely, and then let it to more or less dry out, and it'll start shooting, and then I can plant the shoots to get ginger. This is what I'm hoping. My grow house still a mess, needs sorting. I haven't done that yet. I wanted to get started in here, so I'm going to come back out again for a few hours. I spent all day yesterday and my back is hurting, but out here for a few hours and get some more done. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.